Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches on the world of data querying, specifically through a tool called spath. This is something that brings a level of simplicity and elegance to working with semi-structured data formats like JSON and even TOML. Now imagine you're a developer facing a mountain of data in the form of JSON. You want to pull out specific pieces of information without getting lost in a jungle of code. This is where spath comes in as a real lifesaver. It offers a drop-in replacement for JSON path while also extending functionality to other formats. So let's break this down a bit. First off, let's think about a common scenario. Picture a JSON object. Maybe it contains user profiles containing names, ages, and contact numbers. You want to extract a specific phone number, right? Well, with spath, you can do that with just one simple expression. For example, let's say we have a user named John Doe who has two phone numbers. With spath, you can easily access the second phone number using a straightforward query expression. It's almost like saying, "Hey, spath, fetch me the phone number I'm looking for," and voila, you've got it. Isn't that neat? I mean, it really simplifies what could otherwise be a complex process. And you might be wondering, how does this all work under the hood? It's powered by Rust's powerful standard library and utilizes serde for serialization and deserialization. This might sound a bit technical, but it means that spath can handle your data nimble and fast. As we explore this topic, it also makes me think about the importance of working with good libraries in programming. They can truly save us hours of manual data handling. And let's be honest, who really wants to spend hours parsing through endless lines of data when you can accomplish the same thing with a few elegant lines of code? So if you're a developer, you might be interested to know how you can get started with spath. It's really simple. Just add it to your project's cargo.toml and you're ready to go. This ease of integration makes it accessible for both seasoned developers and those new to Rust or data handling. Now, if you're curious about this tool, or maybe you want to think about how it could be applied in your own projects, I suggest thinking about your use cases. What kind of data are you working with? Are there areas where spath could save you time and streamline your process? As we wrap up this discussion, remember that tools like spath not only make our lives easier, they also empower us to focus on the creative aspects of our work instead of getting bogged down by data. It brings a new perspective to how we approach data querying. That's it for today's episode. We dove into the world of spath and explored its benefits. If you find yourself dealing with semi-structured data and want a more efficient way to query it, definitely give spath a look. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep coding and exploring the endless possibilities in the world of data.